Good evening. I'm Lynn, Marilyn Driz Tamba. I was an alto 2 of the DLSU Chorale. I'm now based in California. Sayang na sayang po talaga at hindi ako nakasali dito sa once-in-a-lifetime reunion concert. Still, I thank God for the super wonderful memories that I've had as a member of the DLSU Chorale and all the blessings that it brought me. My experiences in DLSU and also in our trips local and international have greatly influenced who I am right now. To the DLSU administrators, teachers, and staff, maraming salamat po sa panonood ninyo ng mga concert at sa suporta ninyo. Noel, maraming salamat din sa pagpasa mo sa akin nung nag-audition ako nung freshman ako at sa patuloy na pagsuporta mo sa akin at sa family ko. To all my choral friends, na-miss ko yung kulitan natin. Yung gabi-gabing practice, yung jamming, yung mga pag sobrang nahirapan na tayo sa pag-harmonize, minsan sabi natin, basta bagay. Oops. I miss you all and good job on this production. Sayang talaga wala ako, but promise, next reunion concert, sasali na ako. I don't wanna miss that. So please, ikanta nyo na lang ako ha. Touch it ako ngayon eh. God bless you all and I'll see you in the next concert. Animo Lasal!